Yo, what the fuck is wrong with you, man?
What you mean, homie?
You can't be sitting here, man, watching them. Any fool policeman on his second day on the job will know you're the guy with the shit, man. You'll wind up back inside, you moron.
It's nice to see you, Mr. Big Shot. Real nice to see you. Captain Downtown. Come up here to talk down to his old friends?
Yeah, I just care about you guys, okay?
I don't have a choice, man. My right-hand man got a single-digit IQ. Hey, H, come over here, man. Of course, I could do what you did. Run the fuck away, go fuck a man or some shit.
Yo, I ain't fucking no man, bro, okay? I'm working the best clubs in the city. I ain't go nowhere. I'm 10 minutes away on the train. 10 fucking minutes. What's up, H?
It's like it's another country down there. 10 fucking minutes. I give you 10 fucking minutes. You ran away.
Yo, whatever, man.
Whatever.
Whatever. You want a job, bro? I'll get you a job, man. You know that.
Yeah, for sure, man. I want a job sucking some aging playboy's cock. I want that job real bad. Sign me the fuck up.
You're such a dick, bro.
You would know.
Enrique, would you get the moron to shut up, please?
I'm sorry, man. I just miss you. Or maybe I expressed myself coarsely, but we was like family.
Oh, yeah, loco, we are family, man. But family doesn't mean we have to live up here slinging dope to a bunch of suburban punks from Alderney. Man, dando complain about how life could be. We on the doorstep, man. Liberty fucking City. We could run the fucking world, man.
Oh, and you running the world? Or you running errands for some ass muncher?
Yo, Tony's all right, man.
He's like the daddy I never had. Oh, fucking sugar daddy.
Ay, whatever, man. My mate!
Luis, boys.
Hey, mami, ¿cómo está?
Hey, Mrs.
How are you,
Hey, Mrs.
boys?
Lopez.
Hi, Luis. Oh, you look tired.
Hey, mami, I've been working, you know.
I do know, that's the problem. When you're going back to school.
Ay, mami, por favor.
I hear you going back to school, Armando.
Doing an MBA, Mrs. L.
Hey, let's go. Mami, I gotta go, okay? But here, take this. Cuídate.
Luis, take your life more seriously, baby, please. Don't be like your father.
Look at your brother, look at your sister. They're doing so well. Mommy, I know, but what do you expect? I gotta hang out with morons like these two, okay? Bye. Let's go.
Morons like us, eh, my brother?
Ah, you know how mommy is.
Oh, like a woman has been abandoned by her children?
Okay?
Look. I know you think we small. I know you think we ain't shit. But that's why I hit you up, man.
Why?
Because we got something real coming down.
Yeah, the last time we had something real coming down, I did 2 years.
Look, I'm not gonna insult your intelligence by telling you shit is gonna be different now. But it is.
It is.
Come on, trust me. Let's go. Business is going down in East Hook, bro. Get us over there, bro.
Yo, Mando, Enrique, I'm serious about this, man. You need to get out of this place. Make something of yourself.
Easy for you to say, Don Juan. I don't get your problem with the neighborhood. The heights ain't all bad, bro.
Oh, yeah, sure it ain't, man. How many kids from our class stuck around up here? None that did anything. Them punks Oscar, Willie, and Alonso did. And look where they at.
Fuck them. You had some good times here. Don't forget about that shit. You remember the summer of '99?
Yeah, I do. It was damn hot that year, wasn't it?
Hot as shit up here in '99. We started getting into that Vespucci University Toto. Remember that?
Nothing quite like college girls.
Even Enrique got himself, didn't he?
Yo, shit. That Iberian girl.
Fucked the glasses right off her nose.
I sure did. Yo, hey, everybody gotta grow up someday.
Not if you live next to a college, you don't. Them bitches stay the same age your whole life.
True, bro, but that's not what I meant.
I know. Shit. How them Gomez boys anyway, Luis?
Hey, you know I don't see them dumb fucks no more.
Haha. 5-0 think you do.
5-0 asking us about you and them all the time.
You see Luis Lopez up here with the Gomez boys?
You see Mr. Luis Fernando Lopez associated with Willie Valero?
Haha. It's like they obsessed.
Yeah, man. You got bagged with a couple of punks. It's like you're associated with them for the rest of your life. Everyone's dumb. Fucking useless, bro. No wonder crime's out of control in this city.
I can think of a few other reasons, too.
Speaking of crime, bro, what the fuck are we doing here?
Me and Enrique got a new package. Shit's good enough for us to start seriously stepping on shit and making some real profit.
Product, then profit, then pussy. PPP. That's how it works, bro.
Sure it does, Rico. Can you remind me why I'm coming along on a motherfucking dope deal? I don't touch that shit no more, man. I got a legitimate source of income.
Chill out, bro. We just having a final meet with the guy to smooth out some details. It would really help if we had a respectable punk like you along.
Yo, this is just for appearances, right? You sure?
Yo, sure, I'm sure. Just for appearances. We shaking hands with the man is all. Nothing incriminatory.
Fuck, bro. Okay. Only 'cause I love you guys. You should know that.
Shit, Mondo, you right.
What?
The Big Queen really has groomed this fool. He gay.
Fuck you, bro.
Strap up. He meeting us in here.
Fucking cocksuckers.
Papi, what's up, man?
Hey, dímelo, mi hermano. What's good?
Chilling, bro.
Aight.
Bobby, what's up?
What up, baby? Yo, but who's this clown right here?
Yo, be easy, bro.
Whoa. This is Luis Lopez. He's our boy.
Yo, you gotta say my name, bro.
Luis, you don't gotta worry about shit. Papi's a businessman, legit.
He's our connection, bro.
Purest package in town.
You know, I got that raw, baby. You already know.
To a fruitful relationship.
Oh,
The
tírala,
pitch.
tírala. Dale.
It's gone. You know what I mean.
Yo, what the fuck? That sounds... Yo, you motherfucker, you set me up, huh? You were following, right?
Yo, we wasn't. Were you, baby? What's
me?
going on?
Crazy,
What's
man.
going on?
They must have got in our phones.
Yo, fuck that, you fucking amateurs. I'm out of here, man.
Cops are on your phones? How the fuck you know that?
I think I heard some clicking, bro. I should have picked it.
Anything else these guys gonna know from your phone conversations?
It was a burner, bro. No details. Just time and place.
I hope they don't pick up the connect, bro. He knows my name.
That guy knows how to run. They ain't touching him.
You ain't going back inside, hell. We look after you.
Oh yeah, thanks, H.
Don't look for that package, Ricky.
Package don't mean shit if we get our asses shot off or incarcerated, eh? Let's get out of here. This is all right, ain't it?
Yo, so much for the redemption. It's all fucking bullshit.
Remind me about this bullshit the next time you tell me you got something real, will you?
This shit's about as real as it gets. Give us that.
Sorry, hell, we didn't mean to get you into this shit.
Just help me get out of it, Enrique. That's it.
Ricky, you got a wall, bro. Do something about it.
Ain't gonna be there much longer, bro. This shit's about to go up.
Okay. Let's get out of here.
Motherfucking annihilated.
Yo, hell, we holding these guys. Get behind the bar and take out the roof guys on the roof. It's a ride. Come on, bros.
Yo, we got a minor problem with the door. Hold on.
Annihilate this back. This thing is holding us down, bro. Check that motherfucking newsband. See if they got something that can help. All right, we better scram back to the heist now.
In 50 yards. Turn
Yo,
right.
man, chill out.
So much for that package of yours.
Whole load of work for nothing, bro. Fuck.
Oye, Mando, you gotta be careful with them phones, man. People are onto that shit. And jingoism act, but that shit means they can pretty much read your thoughts now and get away with it.
Thanks for the lecture, Professor. I didn't know a 2-year stretch qualified you to teach street life 101.
Oh yeah, I ain't lecturing. I'm just looking out for my boys.
Ain't that what you do at them clubs of yours?
Looks out for boys in tight denim shorts.
Oh, wow. We back there again?
Luis, bro, you want us to come downtown to lecture you on interior decoration?
Oh
Boulevard musicals or sucking cock? I don't think you do.
Yeah, ¿sabes qué? Now that you mention it, I could do with some dick sucking lessons. I hear you nailed your technique on the last beat upstate, eh?
We was just close friends. Whatever anyone told you was fucking bullshit, man. Fucking bullshit. He's a good guy, got 3 kids.
I think we hit a nerve.
Someone misses their cellmate.
Fuck you, both of you.
Yeah, I don't see why you guys are giving me shit. You was the ones who asked me to come along on this thing.
We asked you along to look pretty. We didn't know shit was gonna fuck up.
Yeah, well, shit did fuck up. And I nearly got killed. So I think I earned the right to be hurt for a second.
Oh, Luis got his panties in a twist.
Speak your piece, bro.
Look, as you say, I ain't an expert in this shit. But I do run a business.
You run Tony shit, do you? Where's the money then?
You gonna listen to me or what? You're never gonna get anywhere if you guys are the ones selling on the corner. There's enough chumps out there to do that work for you. Just get involved in the high-level shit, man. And never talk on the motherfucking phone.
That's all well and good, bro. Selling ain't our issue. It's getting hold of product.
What are you talking about, man? There's product all over the city. Just take it off, motherfuckers.
Steal that shit?
They ain't exactly gonna call up 5-0, are they?
Could be right, bro. Other than this shipment we being paid to oversee, there ain't nothing else coming in for us. We might just have to start ripping people off. You gonna help us?
Mira, loco, I don't know. I could do with the money. But you boys is clowns.
Luis back on board, bro. Do it.
Thanks, bro. You know I hate to ask this now, you all Johnny Lawful and shit. But me and Enrique gonna need to do some serious work if we're gonna maintain shit on these streets. We could use someone we could trust.
Mira, pana, you know I said I wouldn't get involved in that no more. I'll have to think about it, bro.
Thanks, Luis. We'll see you soon, yeah?